Pasta fagioli. This entire recipe is cheaper than one bowl at Olive Garden. And dare I say it, better. I'm gonna start by heating up a little olive oil, onion, celery, and garlic. To that, I'm adding in some parsley, a little crushed red pepper, and some Italian seasoning. A little bit of salt to help soften the veggies. Pasta fagioli means pasta and beans. Sometimes you'll hear it called pasta fazool. They're the same thing. It's just that in America, they've made it fazool instead of fagioli. Next, I'm adding just some fresh chopped tomatoes, and then one tiny can of tomato sauce. You've seen me do this when I make cucuzza or something. It just kind of makes a flavorful liquid. Now I'm gonna go in with some chicken broth. The recipe just calls for 1 can. I'm upping that a little bit because I like my pasta fagioli a little more soupy. We're gonna bring this up to a simmer and cook that for about 15 to 20 minutes just until those veggies are nice and tender. It smells incredible. Can you smell it? Now I'm adding my pasta. This is just a half a cup of pasta for this much liquid. For the pasta, I'm using ditalini, about 8 to 10 minutes, then we'll finish it up. Pasta's ready. Now for the final step, the beans. Of course, classic for this dish are cannellini beans. Those beans just take a couple minutes to heat through, and we're ready to serve it up. I know a lot of versions include the Italian sausage, but you can just look at this and see how hearty and filling it is. And the absolute must on top of any good Italian soup or stew, some grated parm. This is gonna add like a little salty, nutty bite at the end. A good bit of cracked black pepper and a sprinkle of parsley. The weather's cold, you definitely need a hot pot of this pasta fagioli soup. Better than Olive Garden's. There, I said it. Pasta fagioli, take 2.